Namaste, beautiful, beautiful Tauran souls. So this is your medium for tarot guidance, Rupa Khanal, welcoming all the beautiful Taurus souls on my YouTube channel, White Tarot Reading. And today we are here for the futuristic predictions for the month of March 2021. So beautiful Tauran souls, without ado, let's get into exploring the futuristic events which you are going to experience following the month of March. And the first energy I have is the moon, the card from Major Arcana, showing in some dogs, fox, a scorpion on the picture with two shades of moon. This is the card number 15, 16, 17, the moon. So definitely you are connected with the shapes, size, and the shine of the moon, beautiful souls. And if you're not, you will connect it in the month of March. So that is the energy of the moon. And this is also indicating your primitive mind, which is rising towards light and which is trying to become wild at times, and at times it is trying to become tamed and domesticated. So you are pulling between two opposite forces, but definitely the positive force will win. So you will be tamed and domesticated, and you will become more gentle and disciplined, and that will begin with the month of March 2021, beautiful souls. So take care, for all is not as it seems. So you need to difference, you need to be analytical, you need to bring about the clarity, and that clarity you can do it when you connect more to the positive realities, beautiful souls. So take care of yourselves, use your intuitions so as to which path to follow, because your heart will never guide you to a wrong way. And the strife, the pull is because of some love affair. You are in two love affairs, because two shades of moon are shown here. So you are into two affairs. You're involved with two men if you are a woman, and you're involved with two women if you are a man, and you want to leave one and follow your heart instincts. If your heart says that stick to one woman, then only you will prosper in your love affairs. Listen to it, because you have all the answers in your heart. So use your heart instinct so that you can avoid all the poisonous circumstances, because all the poisonous beings are shown here. So this March will be the time you will come out of all your clandestine love affairs, illegal love affairs. March energies will give you the strength and courage and clarity to come out of all your illegal affairs. One man for a woman and one woman for a man, right, beautiful souls? So that clarity you will get in the month of March. So stay connected to the positive sides, to the optimistic sides. And the next energy is the lovers. Look at the alignment of the cards, beautiful souls. You want to end an illegal affair, and the Cupid is throwing the arrow at you so that he can manipulate or she can manipulate you. But the bond between the real love is so strong that no third person can ever exist, or there is no space for the third person in your love relationship. Your love will prosper only when you stick with your true love, beautiful souls. So the lovers is a card which is indicating that this is the time you need to make a choice to connect with your desired lover, right? So you need to bring the change in attitude, and this is for your own good, so that you can prosper, you can have a happy love relationship dynamics. So happy personal and professional relationship can groom in the month of March. When you're happy in your personal life, you can obviously and automatically focus in your professional life. So yes, both your personal and professional life is unstable right now because of an external affair or because of double affair. So you need to cut one which is not worthy and let go it, and you have to stick to the real love of your life so that you can prosper personally as well as professionally. And the last card I have is the Magician. Why women attract to you or why men attract to you is because you have the charm and charisma of a magician. You are the center of attraction. You have a great communicative skills. You are charming. You are absolutely alluring, and you are very, very irresistible. So if you are a man, women will attract to you, and if you are a woman, men will attract to you. But you have to learn to control your emotions. You have to understand that true love is only one, right, beautiful souls? So this is all talking about your magical qualities, your eyes, your hands, your voice, your confidence, your creativity. That all can enhance following the month of March if you will be able to learn to prosper in your love relationship. And this could also mean that you will revive your old love affairs with great freshness, with new freshness, so new beginning, and that will boost your willpower and also give you new eternal peace, beautiful souls. So that is about the card, the Magician, right? So the month of March, your mantra should be contentment. Be happy with what you have. Try to learn to be happy with what you have, because what you have is what you deserve and what you are destined to, and you are the master of your own destiny. So bring about that contentment in your love relationship, beautiful souls. So the beautiful Taurus ascendants, the month of March is bringing you an opportunity to come out of the clandestine love affair. Stick to one love of your life, because that will help you groom your personal as well as your professional career. So you can do it by connecting to the positive side of your life, optimistic side of your life, and throw away the poisonous and unworthy things out of your life. You are the magician and you will be attracted to the opposite sex, but you need to learn to control to keep them away from you. You have to learn to bring that discipline in your love relationship, beautiful souls, right? So you are intelligent, you are charming, your eyes are alluring, you have a dominating voice, personality, you are the center of attraction, you are the magician, and you can do whatever you desire, but with a peace of mind. And that can only happen when you stick to one lover at a time, right, beautiful souls? So try to learn to be content with what you have. So beautiful, beautiful Taurus souls, with the blessings of your guardian angel, Archangel Chamuel, you have everything in your life which is enough to make you happy. So bring about the quality of contentment. And I have is the voice of your soul. So beautiful Taurus souls, listen to the voice of your soul, I have, right? And get ready to receive the quality of contentment and prosperity in all your love affairs with one woman or one man, right? So with lots of blessings from Goddess White Tara. Until next time, beautiful Taurus ascendants, take good care of yourselves. Astu and Namaste.